Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create a Pizza Hut account online. Open the website at pizzahut.com, then click Sign In. On this page, you will see an option for Create an Account. Click on Create an Account. Now, enter your account information such as the email and the password you wish to use. Then on the Your Information section, enter your first name, last name, phone number, and zip code. Also, enter your birth date and you'll receive a free birthday treat. And if you want to receive text from Pizza Hut about deals, click on the tick box beside Yes, I want texts. But it is just optional. Lastly, read the terms of use and Hut Rewards terms and conditions. Once read, click on the tick box beside it. Also, to confirm you're not a robot, click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot. Then click on the Create Account button. And now your account has been created. That's how you create a Pizza Hut account online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.